Hi, I'm Ken Caldwell, Dean of the School of Business Administration at the University of Houston, Victoria, and I'm here with one of our strategic management professors, Dr. Ronald Salazar. Dr. Salazar focuses on helping students become better business leaders. He's been a university professor and consultant on strategic technology management for a number of high-performing organizations. Dr. Salazar also co-founded the nation's second largest independently held security monitoring company, serving as its chief operating officer. Welcome, Dr. Salazar.
Ken, it's a pleasure to be with you today.
Well, thank you for taking the time. So today we're going to talk about what we can do to be successful in a business career. And I think this is a very timely question because more and more we're hearing from our students that they need to do more to prepare themselves for a business career than just get the business degree. So what do you think the keys for success in a business career are?
Well, of course, knowledge is important. That is, having the underpinning of a fine business training and background, a fine curriculum such as we have at UH Victoria is one of the issues. But the keys to success in a business career, in my experience, suggest that the most important characteristics are actually personal. The personal characteristics that predict success are integrity, passion, curiosity, and persistence. Integrity is important because living with integrity allows us to build high-quality relationships with others based on trust. Trusting relationships lead to a higher degree of confidence in the people we deal with and in the decisions we make. Passion is important because people universally do better when they are engaged in activities they care most about. Doing work and solving problems you care about will help one focus and concentrate better throughout the course of one's career. Curiosity matters a lot because using your talents to solve problems and address the needs of others is foundational to success in business. How can this need be solved effectively in a way that captures value? How do I provide value for the customer as well as for myself and my firm? How do I monetize the solutions I've discovered? Finding the answers to these questions requires each of us to be curious, lifelong learners. And finally, persistence is also key because success rarely occurs quickly or easily. So it is important to deal with the need for course corrections and setbacks along the way. They should not be a surprise. There will always be the need to keep trying. Persistence matters a lot. So to summarize, success in a business career is more likely if it's pursued with integrity, passion, curiosity, and persistence.
That is great advice, Ron. So taking this one step further, how can one maximize the value of a business degree?
Well, thank you for the question, Ken. Here it's important to turn our attention directly to our great students. And what I would say to them is that your business degree provides a framework and a way of thinking about business decisions that can continue to contribute to you and your well-being throughout your lifetime. To maximize that value, I suggest that you identify topics, market segments, and niches that you find interesting and learn all you can about them. Take the time to identify important data sources you can use to stay informed about the things that matter to you. Stick to what you enjoy. Stay curious and remain informed. Then establish long-term goals and chart out a plan to achieve them, and then work the plan.
That is also very good advice, Ron. I appreciate it. So I'm going to ask you another very topical question to close us off here. It's very topical because of our situation in the country right now. Most of us are working at home, or at least many of us are working at home, and the lines between what is work and what is your real life is actually being blurred quite a bit. So how do you think finding work-life balance will be different in the future?
Well, that's an excellent question, Ken. The fact is that COVID-19 and improved communications, I think, have changed the work-life balance terrain uh, permanently. Uh, uh, Finding a thriving work-life balance depends critically on one's desire to seek it out. It's not going to happen accidentally. The same kind of passion required to maximize career success is also needed here, along with a desire to enjoy the benefits of regular exercise and, importantly, fun times with the family. The rewards and pressures of a successful business career can often confuse life's priorities and lead to too much time spent focusing there. This confusion can lead to work-life imbalances that neglects family recreation and fun. It's important to set aside time to spend quality time doing things that meet life's other needs. Periods of recreation help clear the mind and help us to later focus better on our work. Balance is important to long-term success. I can't emphasize enough how important interactions with family and friends can be in clearing our mind for the very critical work ahead.
That's all, again, very sage advice, and I really appreciate the time you've taken with us today, Ron. Hopefully students and other people who are listening to this really take your advice to heart, because I think there are things that can really be fundamentally change their lives if they take it seriously. So thank you very much.
It's my pleasure to be with you, Ken. Thank you.